ERP Portugal is part of the largest pan-European platform for waste management, present in 17 countries, the European Recycling Platform. Since its establishment on May 13, 2005, GROW has been the key word for ERP Portugal to build a more sustainable future for the planet. To consolidate its position as an effective player in the development of the Portuguese economy and society, ERP Portugal is committed to strengthen partnerships with strategic players in the sector to ensure the most efficient compliance scheme. To communicate in its essence with youngsters, the environmental awareness programs are designed for different target groups transversely, educating society towards the correct handling of equipment and batteries at the end of their life. It is estimated that globally over 50 million tons of waste of electrical and electronic equipment, WEEE, are produced annually, including waste of batteries. In Europe, 9 million tons are produced annually, and in Portugal alone over 150,000 tons. In Portugal, ERP was established on May 13, 2005, fruit of the association of 4 major manufacturers of electrical and electronic equipment: Electrolux, Procter & Gamble, Hewlett-Packard and Sony, who, together with professionals that have come on board during this challenging decade, provide a valuable public service to the Portuguese population. In 2006, 225 producers had a membership agreement with ERP Portugal, growing to 530 in 2014. In a context where, in addition to the management of electrical and electronic equipment, ERP Portugal was awarded in 2010 with a permit to manage batteries. Several synergies were built, and the provision of integrated services became an asset for ERP Portugal, allied from the very beginning to European experience and know-how in waste management, importing best practices and available methodologies. ERP Portugal's collection network is based on civic amenities, retailers, private waste operators and local collection points, such as the Depositrão. During a single decade, the more than 1,600 collection points in ERP Portugal's current network, distributed throughout the country, have collected more than 100,000 tons of WEEE and waste batteries, and complying with the collection targets set by the permits. ERP Portugal has sent more than 96,000 tons of WEEE and waste batteries for recycling and recovery since 2006. After collection, the waste goes to the consolidation phase, where it is sorted according to operational categories based on its characteristics and recycling methods. The collection point network, Depositrão channel, has been running since 2008. This capillary network facilitates the routing of small domestic appliances at the end of their life, thanks to its location in strategic high turnover points, including 321 stores, 561 schools, 13 commercial spaces and 43 public collection points. Portugal has 980 Depositrões, receiving annually a total of 1,042 tons of WEEE of small dimensions. The basis of ERP Portugal's work as compliance scheme for WEEE and waste batteries has been to encourage a change in the related habits and values among the Portuguese population in general, and in particular, the great catalyzers of good practice: children. ERP Portugal's team covers the entire length and breadth of the country, using a below-the-line strategy of interacting directly and closely with the public, investing since 2006 about €4 million in communication and awareness campaigns and initiatives. A significant direct channel to the heart of the nation was the launch in 2008 of the Generation Depositrão campaign, currently running in over 600 schools and involving a nationwide competition to evaluate the amounts collected by the students. ERP Portugal has an environmental awareness centre in Cascais, covering 500 square meters, displaying all the didactic aspects of its activity, providing information about the various phases of managing WEEE and waste batteries. All target groups were reached through this awareness strategy, participating in innovative initiatives including sport, musical and seasonal events, such as the ERP Green Run, the ERP Remember Cascais and the ERP Recycling Party. Academic-oriented activities and those related to social responsibility are also part of the history of ERP Portugal. It is within a framework of demanding policies and major challenges on many levels that ERP Portugal has harvested the results of a successful strategy with regard to its commitment to achieving the targets set by the permits for WEES and waste batteries management, the environment and environmental sustainability, efficiency throughout the entire management chain, partners and members, the Portuguese economy and society, and above all, the future. A commitment made by a team of 13 members who work to build today a better tomorrow.